In today's video, I will give you instructions on how to effectively remove the scary alerts that come from the site Ekidos.bio. Ekidos.bio is a very deceptive website that may periodically attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This particular website, Ekidos.bio, claims to be related to some well-known security program. However, it is not related to that program, and these pop-ups by Ekidos.bio are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You shouldn't interact with them. The pop-up says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, but it displays absolutely the same message on other computers that are also being attacked by such pop-ups. So it cannot be true that the number of viruses is absolutely the same. Ekidos.bio tries to click you on this proceed button, but you should not click on this button. If you do that, you will be redirected to some other malicious sites that will promote some other potentially unwanted software. Such pop-ups by Ekidos.bio may be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. First thing I recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel of your device and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you don't find anything suspicious but still you see these pop-ups, it means that the adware is hidden deep on your computer. So I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other adware which can be concealed within the system. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.